Arias, 25 years old from Cagayan de Oro City. And this is my favorite outfit from H&M, Shein, and Kai. And then the reason why I like to wear this kind of style because it makes me feel comfortable and professional in any situation.
Gansi na binay. Sama kayo.
Hello everyone, this is Marty J1. I'm 10 years old. And this outfit is inspired by Korean fashion style. Ayungkay. And this was given by my grandmother. And my shoes was given by my future girlfriend.
Mayor! Saan ang mga panya?
I am Jasper Vince Armadillo. I am currently 19 years old. I chose this outfit because, as you can see, our traditional and our own heritage is actually degrading, and so that's why I chose this outfit for today. That's all. Thank you. Bye. Ikuan ya?
My outfit is Chinese color, white polo, black trouser, and brown shorts. And I prefer this kind of outfit because it is minimal, simple, and formal.
Hey! Gigi Mod! Hey, Bobby! Hey! Tambay style!
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mr. Aguilas, 20 years old. I'm wearing Castro from TikTok shop, top from Bruce clothing shirt, and shorts from Okay TikTok shop.
Ang medyas.
So, my inspiration for my outfit is from people like this. I prefer this outfit because it gives me good vibes.
Hey! Hey!
Hi, I'm Sir Jimmy Bakunak, and this is New Balance from my kuya, and this is from TikTok Balance.
Briones style.
From TikTok and from my classmate. I choose this outfit because it's our season and it gives me summer vibe.
Si Shabul ka na Ay, kan ya, IT boy. Hey! IT boy!
Balik!
to? Excited ka siya, bay? Hey! NPC!
My name is Ichi Martiantito and this is school shoes. My inspiration for this is school uniform. And I prefer this outfit because I'm comfortable.
Eh, bala igang ah. Mana.